Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate Messenger account. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Messenger. Once you open Messenger, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top left. Then you need to scroll down and click on account settings. And then you need to scroll down again and click on account ownership and control. And then you need to click on deactivation and deletion, and then you need to click on continue to Facebook account deactivation and deletion. And here you have two options: deactivate account, delete account. You simply need to select deactivate account and click on continue to account deactivation, and here you need to select the reason. So I'm going to select this is temporary, I will be back. Then you need to click on continue, and if you want you can log out of Instate, save post in your archive if you want, and you can select the duration and click on continue. So this is a process by which you can deactivate your Messenger account. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.